The next two questions are going to be a little bit of a review, okay? See if you're paying attention and to see if you forgot anything from target B. Alright, so it says Jessica collects valuable antiques. She estimated that the value of one of her antiques, Y, in her collection after X years could be represented by the equation Y equals 400 times 1.25 to the power of X. Which of the following graphs models this situation? Alright, so again, when we have the graphs, we look at the number inside the parentheses, okay? Since we already know that when it's more than 1, it's a growth, okay? Less than 1 is a decay. Based on the 1.25, I know that my graph has to be going up. It's growing. It's more than 1, okay? So based on the three options that I have here, I know that option B is not going to be my answer. Again, you read the graphs from left to right, okay? From left to right. So it's greater, it's growing, so it's increasing. The two graphs that are increasing is A and C. Next, don't forget that we focus on an initial value. The initial value is like your y-intercept. Where does the graph cross through the y-intercept? Okay, and it has to cross through 400. If you notice, the graphs are starting at 100. Which of those two graphs, either option A or option C, cross through 400? Good, you should have picked that option A is going to be your answer for this. It's crossing, it's starting at 400, and your graph is going, it's increasing, it's growing. Okay, so your answer for this question is A. Next question. Which situation can be modeled by the exponential function? Okay, which of these situations is modeled by exponential function? Remember one thing that I told you, the exponential, I just literally told you, that the exponentials can only be done if they give you a percentage or if they told you that it's increasing by a multiplication of something. So let's read option A. The number of students attending Morton West increases by 35 each year. Increases by 35. Let's see. Flip phone sales at Verizon are decreasing by 375. Again, we're just talking about regular numbers here. Decreasing, increasing means that you're adding. Decreasing is that you're subtracting. Alright, option C. Approximately 125,000 people enter the Willis Tower each day. Okay. As the value of x increases by 1, the value of y increases by 6. And last, 4 F-150 truck sales have been increasing by 3% daily. Again, if you've been paying attention, so exponential functions are represented by percentages. Yes, it's increasing. That means that we're going to be adding 1 plus, okay, that 3%. That means that my answer for this is going to be what? Option A, B, C, D, or E. Alright, you should have picked E. Why? Because of the little piece of information that they told you that it was going to be increasing by 3%.